Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to turn off Microsoft Edge Autofill. Let's begin. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left side, click Profiles. Under this section, you'll see different options like passwords, payment info, and addresses, and more. If you want to stop Edge from saving and filling in passwords, click Passwords and turn off Offer to save passwords and sign in automatically. If you want to turn off Payment Autofill, go back and click Payment Info. Then switch off Save and Fill Payment Info. For addresses, click Addresses and More, and turn off Save and Fill Addresses. Once you turn these options off, Microsoft Edge will no longer autofill your passwords, payment details, or address information. And that's it! You've successfully turned off autofill in Microsoft Edge. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.